And this is the end of the hike. You end up at this really cool rock wall where you got all these little waterfalls and really beautiful moss-covered rocks. And that's the day. Off we go. Check this out. This is the waterfall that connects. This is Black Creek, basically. It's just, you've probably never seen it this way. And it's pretty flooded. You can see that tree over there. And then there's this giant lagoon over here. It's pretty cool. So, huge rocks in the middle of the forest. If you think about what this landscape looked like a couple thousand years ago, all of this was under a mile of ice, right? So this landscape is completely the result of large glacier sheets that came through here, and over the course of a couple millennia carved into the hillsides, and as they melted left these big rocks in the middle. So think about that next time you're out and about, right? How did the rocks get here? Who moved them? And what's the result of all of that glacier melt as it left our area? So mosses are plants, but they don't reproduce with seeds. They're one of our earliest plants that evolved. They reproduce with spores. And you can see these little shoots coming out here. And those are where the spores come out when these are reproducing in the spring and summer. As you walk along on the other side of the little swamp, you come up across all these really cool little cliffs here, which are pretty amazing to look at. And they're covered in moss and ferns. It's really beautiful. You can see a lot of some snow and stuff still out here. But yeah, it's a really pretty walk. So this is one of the swampy areas that you walk by when you start the Burrough hike. And you can see just how much vegetation there is out there right now. So one of the first little plants of the spring, there's some skunk cabbage. It always comes up right in the spring. It loves all of the sunlight that it gets before the trees have leaves on it. So that's always a fun one to look for when you're in a wet area. And then when you continue on this hike, I'll show you some more really cool places up ahead. There's a little bridge over the marsh up here. And then this hike also has some ladders, and it also connects to Black Creek on another site. So that's another cool highlight. Okay.